Hello children, I have a tray. It is filled with white powder. Can you guess what is it? ಅಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳಗೆದ್ದು ಆಚೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Yay, that's right. It's Rangoli powder. Shall we trace on it? What is this? Yes, you're right. It's a standing line. Shall we go to the next one? What is this? Yes, you're right. It's a sleeping line. Now, the next one. Correct. It's a C curve. Now, the next one. What is it? It's a tummy curve. The next one. That's great. It's a U curve. Now, observe carefully. First, write a C curve. Write a C curve. What are we writing, children? A C curve. Then where should I go now? Let me go up. Let's go up and come down. C curve. Go up and come down. C curve. Go up and come down. How does it look? It looks like letter A. Now, let's try writing on the hand. Use your pointer finger to trace letter A on your hand. Write C curve. What are we writing? C curve. Then what do we do? Correct. Go up and come down. Let's trace it again. C curve. Go up, come down. C curve. Go up, come down. Children, try tracing letter A on your lap and also enjoy tracing the letter on your mother's back and ask her to guess the letter. Kids, shall we try writing with water? Dip your finger in water and write a C curve. What are we writing? A C curve. Go up, come down. Let's trace it again. C curve. Go up, come down. I have a slate. We will write on it with a chalk. Write C curve. Go up and come down. C curve. Go up and come down. Children, we learnt writing letter A. Wow! We learnt writing letter A and it makes the sound A, A, A. Children, I have a task for you. Write letter A on a plain paper with a crayon. Use different color crayons and trace letter A 7 times. You will get a rainbow letter A. How do we write letter A? Yes, C curve. Then what do we do? Go up and come down. Let's do it again. C curve. Go up and come down. Happy writing. See you in the next class.